You. What up? Alright. We got another Johnny Depp being hilarious in court.
Okay. Yeah, man. Every part of this trial is hilarious.
Very. I think Saturday Night Live did a skit this past weekend.
Yes. As they should. Yeah, man. From Amber's testimony, the lawyer grilling her ass, man.
Rottenborn and the other lady, whatever the other lady's name is, she's horrible too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's, I guess it's something I don't want to. I'm enjoying watching this. You know what I mean?
It's very captivating. 9 a.m. eating popcorn and shit, watching court TV. That's pretty dope.
Yeah, you ready, man? Let's go ahead and make it another.
All right. Johnny? His fans? Damn, that's a lot of people.
All relatives.
Yeah. This nigga,
Probably could afford to fly all the relatives out there, you know what I'm saying?
yeah. Here we go again.
Anyway, Johnny became upset with me for judging him. He was,
It seemed kind of fake.
he said some disgusting things to me. I don't know if I need to repeat it.
Okay, let's go with
Michelle. Shit on someone's dead, but you can't repeat what somebody says. Come on now.
Don't tell
Come
us
on
what
now.
the co-star said. Just tell us what your communication was with Mr. Depp.
Objection, hearsay. Her communications are hearsay.
People could invite me
Camille.
to a concert in a platonic way. I tried to say that it was fine.
Objection,
that it was-
hearsay.
Do I have that redaction, or is that something I want to give?
I think we're going to need to give it to you a hard copy.
All right.
Right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, you get it.
I found out that he was in a hotel room with Paul Bettany.
Objection, hearsay.
Camille was on it.
When he came home, they had to carry him home.
Objection, hearsay.
Did you see that?
I watched it.
Did you have any contact with Lily Rose?
Lily Rose, Depp.
Discussions with Mr. Depp.
Objection, leading.
What, if any, communications did you have with Lily Rose in November 2013?
Objection, calls for hearsay, leading.
What, if any, interaction did you have with Lily Rose without saying anything she said?
Objection.
Objection, hearsay.
What, if any, interaction did you have with Lily Rose that led to an argument with Mr. Depp?
Objection,
Objection,
hearsay.
leading.
Leading.
Did you have an argument with Mr. Depp relating to Lily Rose in November 2013?
Yes.
Can you please describe that?
Well, I was,
What the hell?
and Lily Rose at some point had a crush on a.
Objection, hearsay. Lock foundation.
It went back to being wonderful. There were these moments that just felt so wonderful.
Objection, Your Honor, non-responsive.
She is lying. I believe she is lying. She's acting.
A woman named Kate
She's
James,
acting.
is that correct?
Objection, leading.
And why is that?
She's gonna object to everything.
Shit.
She
Emoji.
was.
Don't even English. Someone take a picture of that.
I don't know.
Your Honor,
Maybe
I'm
she's
going to
looking at the
object on
screen.
hearsay grounds. It's still hearsay.
Your Honor, I'm going to
Miss
move the
Vasquez.
admission of Defendant's Exhibit 209. Business records exception.
Still hearsay, Your Honor.
I agree. I think that's the point that hearsay can.
Sit down. Oh, they approached the bench. Look at Johnny. Like, we objecting to everything. Object to everything.
See, the thing is,
What
when
if
they
any
do it, it's
communications
just not
did you
overturned.
have with
Yeah.
Kate James about your issues with Mr. Depp?
Objection, hearsay.
Yep.
Ms. James has testified.
Sustain the objection.
All right, we can take that down, Michelle.
Amber mad at her attorney.
And I thought it's, I would have forgotten about the extent that we had those conversations early on in the engagement if it hadn't have been for my therapist's notes.
I don't
So
believe
if it
you.
hadn't been for your what?
If it hadn't been for my
You wouldn't let
therapist's
therapists
notes,
talk.
which were
Okay.
taken at the time when I was talking
She
to her
couldn't even
about
read
this
from a
and my
shit.
conversations with her.
Objection, hearsay.
Okay.
I'll
We'll
sustain the
We'll move
objection.
on. Okay.
He said, hold
Came down
on.
at the end when we were leaving, and came down once because he was at the time sharing drugs with my dad.
Objection. Speculation. Lack of foundation.
You know that he was sharing drugs with your dad.
Speculation.
I was there. I watched it.
Please continue.
My
What
dad
the
actually
fuck she
left
talking about?
Johnny's security to go get more drugs from
Objection
West
calls for
Hollywood.
speculation.
How do you know that?
They told me.
Hearsay.
Sustain the objection.
Could you please tell the jury what a Met Gala is and what's involved in that?
Objection compound.
He thought I was looking at this woman in a sexual way, and I kind of turned it around on him and said that exact same
Objection hearsay.
It's context, Your Honor. This is
I'll
context.
sustain the objection.
Okay. Just say what Mr. Depp said then. I guess you
Sustained.
can tell us what you said to him.
Okay. And Johnny shoves me and kind of grabs me by the collarbone area, like not really my neck, but top of my neck, top of my above my collarbone, below my neck. And I feel this
Huh? He grabbed
boot
it. Yeah, like it's your skin. or
in my
something?
back.
You pinched it.
He just kicked me in the back. I got myself on the floor, and I just felt like I was looking at
You sound
the floor of
fake.
the plane. Felt like a
Kick me
long
in your
time.
ass.
Jury
In
judge
the
is
back.
security, and
That sound fake.
My
If it's true, it's
friend-
bad.
both kind of under their breath asked me, "Are you okay?"
Objection hearsay.
I spent the rest of the time looking out of the
Sustain the
window,
objection.
Crying.
and
Be like, I remember kicking that girl.
Objection
That
non-responsive.
crazy that night.
if
Calls for
Objection about it.
speculation.
he would not remember what he had done.
Calls for speculation.
I think I'm in love. She doing a good job.
Did you reach out to,
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay and leading.
and
Damn.
this is a communication between you and Rocky Pennington, your best friend, is that correct?
That's correct.
Objection hearsay.
Damn.
Did you text your mother and your father about this incident?
Objection hearsay.
What, if any, communication did you have with your mother or your father following this incident?
Objection hearsay.
Sustain that.
Damn, she's horrible.
What, if any, communications did you have with Kate James following the Boston plane incident?
Objection
Why is
hearsay.
she trying to say ask the same question?
If we go to 224.
Okay.
Angry
I
slam.
reached out to friends and family, asked for support.
Objection hearsay.
Sustained.
Judge sustained. Move on.
It doesn't. It's still hearsay, Your Honor.
Oh, that's when you're supposed to hit the coke right there.
May we approach?
Man.
I'm
That's
going to
what
ask you
you
to turn now to 228.
Your Honor, we're going to object on hearsay.
First line, Your Honor,
Okay.
is all I understand in Your Honor's ruling, but I think
on the plane, I was so careful.
Objection. Non-responsive.
What, if any, communications did you have with Stephen Duders?
Objection. Hearsay.
What, if any, communication were you having with him following the Boston plane incident?
Objection. Hearsay. May we approach?
It's not going good for her.
I thought I had effectively...
Objection, Your Honor. Non-responsive. Objection. Hearsay, Your Honor.
What's in the email?
That calls for hearsay, Your Honor.
Johnny's smiling.
And
They can't get a
then
question
finished
in.
Filming, the plan was to do the
Objection,
full
Your Honor.
detox.
Hearsay.
She ain't gonna be able to complete a
Foundation.
sentence.
I was involved in the conversations
Please
with the doctors and with his sister.
Objection,
And
Your Honor.
there's-
that's still hearsay.
All right, I'll sustain the objection.
That part is. So,
They put Johnny on a bunch of new medications, which they shared with me.
Objection,
Told
hearsay.
me about.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Nope, can't say that.
He was taking about double the amount.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I
Your
saw, I
observations.
saw it.
Okay, overruled.
At one point in
I
our
saw it.
conversations, I told him about how,
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
we're on an island. I'm trying to take care of him, and he was hallucinating, and
Objection, Your Honor. Non-responsive.
I hadn't said anything. I would tell him, Johnny,
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I think in the context,
She shook her
it's not
head,
enough
yeah.
to prove the truth of the matter asserted. Did you have communications with
She posed.
Mr. Depp about auditioning for
She
another
posed for the
role
camera.
in this time frame?
Objection, Your Honor. I'm going to object to the exhibit as hearsay.
Yeah, makes sense. It's all hearsay. Oh my God. She acted like she was scared. She acted like she was scared. Don't worry about it, Johnny. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my God. Oh my God.
They say Johnny's putting on a good act, but
I think Johnny's acting too, yeah.
you know what I mean? But, and I guess Amber Heard's putting on an act as well.
It is not believable.
Nah. Has she cried in any of her movies?
First of all, like, she's been in like a couple movies.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
She,
Well,
she was
I'm not.
she was in Pineapple Express.
Okay. Well, there's no reason for her to cry in Pineapple Express. So,
No,
okay.
no.
Okay.
Well,
okay.
she actually did cry. She was like in an argument with Seth Rogen.
Ah,
And it
okay.
was like breaking up and going back and forth.
Right. Okay.
Remember that?
And she fake cried?
Yeah,
She
I mean, she
definitely
acted
should-
like she was, she was arguing, she was crying. It was funny at the time, but looking back on it, it's like,
Oh,
he
man.
was crazy then too. And then she's all, she's Mirror, but she's
Okay.
not crying.
Okay.
Mirror doesn't cry. I don't think she's gonna be Mirror for long though.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's just not a believable. And we both laughed when she said that she got kicked in the back, and I don't, we are not laughing at
No,
domestic
domestic
violence.
abuse. No, not at all.
We
Not
was
at all.
laughing at her how it came across,
Yes.
how she said it.
Yes. And the
He
face
kicked
she
me in the back,
Yeah.
or something like
Yeah,
that.
you know what I'm saying? I'd look angry. That he kicked me in my back. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know. Again,
we don't
again,
condone
yeah,
kicking
domestic
anybody in the
violence.
back.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, and then I watched a little bit of the trial. When she answers a question, she's talking to looks like she's talking to the jury. She
Okay.
answers every question talking to the jury.
Yeah.
She doesn't answer direct questions from, what I'm saying, Camille. It's like,
Okay.
come on, man.
Yeah.
Or Camille. Is it Camille or Camille? I think it's Camille.
Camilla. Okay.
But yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, she's a great attorney. You know what I'm saying? I heard she got a big case after this as well. But yeah, man.
She gonna get more. She gonna get a lot more because she is destroying. It's not that hard though. This doesn't seem like this that hard. You can easily prove she lied about the $7 million donation.
$7 million donation.
That was
Exactly.
embarrassing. She, I understand. Looked like she perjured herself. Looks like she fucking perjured herself. She got more shit to worry about after this. She should. I mean, shit. You can't just lie on the stand.
Exactly.
There's got to be consequences.
Definitely.
But I mean, you know, this is Hollywood. This trial is for fun, like
Exactly.
Saturday Night Live said. Nobody cares about this. It's just entertainment.
Just two high profile people. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it really, and I guess, and it, so Johnny Depp is suing her for 50. Was it 50 million or what?
Yeah, for defamation.
For defamation and 50 million. Like okay.
And I believe he's gonna win.
Yeah.
But it's not looking good for Amber.
I hope she got some. She's from Texas, right?
I don't know. I hope not.
Yeah. Hopefully she got some. Oil.
I hope she's not from Texas.
She got some oil or something out here. She gonna need that. Something.